Guys, we are in 2020 and our life is super digital. Courtesy to social media. So to stay up your social media game, I'm here with some honest hand-picked social media vocabulary that you must equip yourself with to stay up your social media game. So watch the video till the end to increase both your IQ and CQ. Oh, you must be wondering what CQ stands for? CQ is cyber quotient. So before we deal with the lesson, just hit the thumbs up button right there. I'll really appreciate that. Right? Let's get started. So the first on the list is a blog. Right? That is actually a short form of weblog that people hardly use. Right? So blog is nothing but a website that shares reviews, opinion, experiences and other information. For example, you need a customer review about a certain hair product. Right now you Google it and boom! You come across plenty of websites that contains a lot of reviews, experiences given by users. So those kind of websites are called blogs. Now there can be two other kinds of blogs as well. One is called mblog, means mobile blog. So those kind of blogs are specifically for mobiles. And another is vblog, and that is video blog, where you can have the same kind of things in video. Next on the list is a campaign. As far as the social media is concerned, campaign is kind of a paid promotional activity that some company or website takes up to gain their publicity. When you log into your Facebook, Insta and other social media platforms, you come across random ads containing pictures, videos, information, and those are nothing but some campaigning or paid promotional activities. Now next one is a cloud or cloud computing. Oh wait, this one is not the kind of cloud that causes rain. It is rather a virtual space where you can save some files, documents, instead of using your mobile, PC and other device memory. It's just like the Google Drive where you can save some of your files, documents, right, and you can get in touch with that any moment, anywhere. They don't consume your device memory any longer. So it's kind of that, right? It's freaking awesome. That's cloud space for you. Then comes the feed or news feed. It is actually what you see in your homepage at social networking sites. Right? The posts, the various photographs that your friends share on social media, and you can see them. It's actually news feed. Number 5 is live casting. Live casting is actually when people broadcast or podcast their lives in digital media. Now there are some people, mostly celebrities, who share their daily routine, lifestyle and other part and parcel of their life on digital media to maybe earn money or rise to fame. That kind of thing is called live casting. One of the examples that comes to my mind when I speak about live casting, well, I actually don't want to name the show, but you know the show that Kim Kardashian features, right? So that is actually live casting. And next one in my list is meme. Now, don't tell me you haven't heard of memes and you're on social media, right? As social media, especially Facebook, is these days flooded with memes, right? And memes are actually, some kind of sarcastic, right? Funny, but realistic pictures that people often share Facebook and other social media in order to make fun of someone. People who share a lot of memes over social media are called memer, right? They are called memers. Next one is streaming media. Streaming media is kind of website that broadcasts podcasts, different events like games, sports or something else live. Those are called streaming media, right? I often say that there will be a live streaming of the football match today. So that is streaming. So a website is broadcasting it live. Though sometimes it may not be live as well. Sometimes the movies are also displayed in a particular website. They also call it streaming. They not be live, but it's also a kind of streaming there. Next one is crowdfunding and crowdsourcing. Crowdfunding is kind of group of people coming together to fulfill some of Kalaman's dream or project, right? Maybe you have a group of their social media and some friend has a kind of weird wish or kind of wish that lot of money to get fulfilled. So you guys started helping him, right? You could there, contribute something to make him fulfill his dream. So that is called crowdfunding. And similar to that, crowdsourcing is something when a group of people come together and they all going for the same goal, they are arranging money or running a business at low costing, low fund, then it is called crowdsourcing. You may have seen some groups doing business at Facebook or Insta, doing a lot of items out there. So those are called crowdsourcing. Next one is trolling. So trolling is another crucial word in social media. Now you may have heard of it. It's actually teasing, insulting or shaming someone over something on digital platforms. Okay? That is something we call troll. Let's say you posted a picture on social media and people who don't like it for some reason started insulting, shaming or even abusing you over the social media. This kind of digital humiliation, which is a cyber crime, is known as trolling. Nextly, handle. Now, if you are on a social media platform, the username you use there is your handle. For example, the phenomenalenglish.ind is my Insta handle, right? That's the username for my Instagram. Now that I've mentioned my Insta handle, you may follow me up there, alright? Just go there, check it out and follow me up. Similarly, you can have Twitter handle and the same in some other social platforms as well. Nextly, Twitterity is actually the Twitter family, or all the frequent users of Twitter are called together Twitterity. Next one is viral. Now, we often say that a picture, post, or video going viral when it is top of the internet, going round and round, right, and attracting publicity, gaining fame for some reason, right? And there's a similar kind of word that comes to my mind when I talk about going viral. That is trending. We again use another word that is called trending. When something is like top of the internet, we call it trending. A trending video, a trending post. Have you ever wondered why some of the posts out there in social media, some YouTube videos or even blogs with a title that looks like this, maybe hash social media? The reason is when we want to make a post or any video or anything that we share, any comment, trending one, we add this sign which is called hashtag, right? When you add a hashtag to the title followed by the name of the trend in small letters, it entirely turns blue and makes a hyperlink to all the things that is related to that, and it becomes a trend, right? So that is the use, and that sign is called hashtag. Next one is engagement. In social media, when you share a post, the number of reactions you get in terms of likes, love, and even share is called engagement. Hey guys, I'm here at the end of my lesson. Hope you liked my video and hit the thumbs up in case you do. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed my channel already. I'll be soon back with the part 2 of this social media vocabulary. And there we'll talk about some social media acronyms or short form that you often find out but keep wondering what they mean. Till then, bye-bye.